He picked up a roof rack. It sort of fits. The guy got it, told me it came off 100 series. It doesn't quite fit the roof lines of the 80 series. Actually, I think maybe I might have this around the wrong way. It's just a matter of throw it on, chuck a couple of clamps on in the middle, just so I could drive it home. And it didn't fall off, so that's a good thing. Yeah, it's going to take some fucking with, I think, to make it fit right. No, I think that should be pretty good right there. Sort of fitting in the gutters a bit better now. I won't cut quite so much out of it. Draw a line along here. That'll actually give me the line I need. This is the right hand side, and that's the front. Just put a little mark here on the gutter, so that I know exactly where the back of the thing has to sit. Oh, that's going to take a bit of cutting. There's only that left to do, and then the other side as well. That should match up with the roof line on the 80 now, but it may not. That sits in there a lot better now, but it has created another problem. When you put them in, they actually foul against the mount. Have to have a think about that one. You might have to cut them off something like that. That should clear it enough to do what I want it to do. Pardon me. Work. Alright, so that's all nicely trimmed up. It's on, fits good. Nice and solid. Don't think that's going to create a problem, although I shouldn't speak too soon, I suppose. So I moved it just a slight bit forward from that mark. Might have to trim a couple of these up just a little bit. This one and this one. That actually looks like it might hold. Now I just got to find a nylock nut to fit that. Right, so I couldn't find a nylock nut, so a big washer, got a nut, another nut, and some Loctite. This should hold it nice and tight in there. Lock them together. Nice and tight. And that's not going to come undone. I've got a standard nut and some Loctite. So I've got two nuts. That doesn't sound very good, does it?